How to review marketplace listing on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review marketplace listings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down here until you find activity log and then look at actions and other activity. And now just go down here and click this one, marketplace listings, and that's how to review marketplace listings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.